people. Huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2019 Chevy Camaro.
Today we're reviewing the 2019 Chevy Camaro. We are looking at a 2.0 liter turbocharged, pushing out 275 for the 0 to 60 and 5.4 seconds for the MPG highway, 31 city, 22. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We are looking at an analog display. On the top left you have your gas gauge, on the top right you have your engine temp. In the middle you have a colorful digital display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus paddle shifters. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock. You have your one-touch window control with your mirror control. We are looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Right here is your dual climate control. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. The buttons behind the shift knob have drive mode, traction control with your electronic parking alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your map light. You have your SOS Safety Connect with your OnStar alongside your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. This does not have a lot of room, measuring at 7.3 cubic feet.
We're in the 2.0 Chevy Camaro. It handled very well. Around corners and everything, it handled good. It handles so good. I had to bust this U-turn. It picks up a whole lot, man. It picks for a 2.0 turbo. It picks up. It picks up, man. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2019 Chevy Camaro. If you need any information about Hall Chevrolet, I'll leave the link in the description below.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. The night was warm, we were bold and young.
Real quick, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.